Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter a JavaScript error occurred in the main process while opening an app, then watch this video for the solution. Now first thing we'll do is to run a Windows update. Right click on the start button, go to settings, click on Windows update and then click on check for updates. If there's an update, then you can install and restart the Windows. Now if this doesn't work, then we will reinstall the app. For example, I have an app say Google Chrome and I try to open it, but it doesn't open with the error that a JavaScript error occurred in the main process while opening the app. So I will go to settings, right click on the start button, go to settings, go to apps, installed apps, and then look for the app which is causing the error. I'm taking the example of Chrome, and then click on the three buttons here, three dots, and click on uninstall and uninstall again, and then install it from Microsoft Store. Or if it's not in Microsoft Store, then you can go to the browser and search for Google Chrome, and that should work for you. Now if that doesn't work, then we'll run the SFC and DISM scans, which is sure to fix the issue. Go to command prompt, click on run as administrator, and in the elevated command prompt, we'll enter the command SFC space /SCANNOW and press enter. Once that is done, I am not entering the command because this scan takes quite some time and I'm keeping this video short for your convenience. We'll enter the command DISM space /online space /cleanup hyphen IMAGE image /RESTOREHEALTH. So that's DISM space /online space /cleanup hyphen image space /restore health and press enter. Now this scan will also take some time, but it's sure to resolve the issue. You just have to click on the start button, click on the power button and restart after these two scans are done, and then try to open the app. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to this channel. Enjoy your day.